In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a poster in the style of the This Girl Can campaign. Now you will see it is made up of a large leading image, a slogan, the This Girl Can logo, and the National Lottery Sport England logos along with the hashtag This Girl Can. Now I'm going to go for this banner style, but you can use different dimensions. To achieve this, I'm going to go to File, New. Now I'm going to make a document at 32 centimeters width by 16 centimeters high. Orientation is landscape and resolution is 300 because we want it to be suitable for print. So you have this blank canvas. What I would like you to do now is open up the image that you took. So I've just got a blanked out version to recreate the This Girl Can one, but it's likely to be in a different dimension. So what I would like you to do is click on the Move tool, drag your photo into your template, release the mouse button, and then I would like you to resize it into position. So just about there, and make sure you've got a nice amount of space in order to lay the text and the image. So open up your image that you took yourself, drag and drop it into your folder, and I would take this opportunity to save your work, calling it something very obvious that you could recall at a later point. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I have added the original on top. So you'll see that This Girl Can logo is placed here. I'm going to turn it off to show you it's a blank version. I want you to open the This Girl Can logo, PNG. So it already has a see-through background. And again, using the Move tool, I'd like you to drag it into your Photoshop file. You'll notice that it's quite big. Now you need to make sure Show Transform Controls is selected, and then I would like you to resize the This Girl Can logo and roughly get it into the same position as the original one. So see, I've got it quite big there. So I'm going to resize it, hit return, and then roughly get it into the same position. So now we're going to move on to adding the lottery funded This Girl Can logo. So again, I want you to open up the National Lottery Sport England white logo PNG, and then I would like you to drag that into the advert too, let go, resize it, and then for reference, roughly get it into position, roughly get into the same position. So there you have the This Girl Can logo placed and the lottery funded logo placed too. For this part of the demo, we're going to install font style 1, which is called Bery. So when I double click on Bery Roman, I would like you to install Bery Roman to the system. So click on install, wait for that to load. You won't get any indication that it has installed, but when you go back to Photoshop, I would like you to press the horizontal type tool, and make the text white, and I would like you to start typing the letters. One is more than one, more than none, sorry. So let's just start typing the word. One is more, and I want you to select the font and change it to Bery. If you don't like scrolling through, you can actually type in this window here if you find it quicker. But there it is, Bery, Bery. And then again, I would like you to resize it to roughly get it into position. So let me lay it on top there to get the cap height. So we've got there. That's roughly the same cap height. And the slogan is, one is one more than none. And there's a full stop there as well. Okay, so looking at them side by side, you'll notice that the leading, which is the space between the top line and the bottom line, is not as tight as the one above. And the kerning as well. So the space between each letter needs adjusting. So I'm going to show you how to do that too. If I lay one on top of the other, and I select that, you need to go over to Window, and it is the character tool, which is up here. And then when you go to, you'll see these here. So we've got our leading here, so you can change it to 24. You see that's way too tight. What you want to do is you can tap to nudge. So I'm tapping the arrow up key and I'm keeping an eye on the relationship between the O and the H there. So that looks about right. So let's have a look. So we've done the leading. Now we need to do the kerning. So this one is slightly, it's not so obvious. So I'm going to select the top line, and your kerning is this option here. So I'm nudging down and I'm just tightening that space between. Sometimes it's not as much as 10. That's round about there, but I'll leave you longer to play around with that. Okay, let's turn off the background layer. Let's roughly get this into position. So round about there. Press return, and I'm going to turn off the background layer. So essentially, this girl can has just 4 elements. It's got a photo that is normally a medium close-up or medium wide shot. They're never usually looking directly at the camera, so it's indirect address. They're just getting on and they're exercising. Usually the women involved are not particularly styled. They're very natural. There's indirect address, and we've got a very large leading image. We've got a very interesting slogan, usually a play on word. That is in the Bery font, and more recently that's changed to another font, which I've uploaded as well. You've got the Sport England and the lottery funded logos. You've got the This Girl Can logo. And finally, I'm going to show you how to install the hashtag font as well. So to do that, similar to before, go to the hashtag font, open up Gotham Book, install. So remember that's called Gotham Book. And I'm going to turn on the other layer for reference. And it says, This Girl Can, hashtag. So it's Gotham Book. So I'm going to press the text tool, make sure it's in white. I'm going to click, and it's called hashtag this, no space, This Girl Can. I'm going to highlight that. This time I'm going to type GOTH and have a look for the word Gotham Book. Okay, there it is there. And then again, I want you to get into position. I'm going to zoom in now. I'm holding down spacebar to move the position there. Let's make sure I get this right. So that's roughly into position there. And that's all that's left now is to add this thin line there. So to do that, I normally draw a thin line, as so. I normally make a new layer, so just click on this one here. And then I fill that with white. So I hit Control, Backspace, and I've drawn that line as well. So I'm going to press Control 0 to go back to the beginning. Now, what you have to do is try and replicate this Girl Can campaign. It's strongly image-based, so your image has to be suitable, and then everything else should fall into place, and your caption should be quite a clever one too. And that's it.